This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comment for April 9th, 2018. Corn market today up 1 to 2. Bean market up 10 to 12. Chicago wheat up 15 to 18. Minneapolis wheat up 17 to 19. Kansas City up 16 cents. Well, if it's not tariff, it's weather. If it's not weather, we got another USDA crop report, and we got all three coming at us this weekend. Bean market higher off of really no new inclination on the tariff negotiations. There was some rhetoric around this morning that China and U.S. are already working on some conversations behind the scene, and also some developments in NAFTA to take the edge off the markets and allow some buying to come back into that bean complex. When you look at weather outside, though, the corn and wheat markets have some justifications, and more significantly, Kansas City wheat got to freeze-type temperatures down through Kansas, Oklahoma, and parts of northern Texas. We've got snow forecasted for Thursday, Friday, Saturday across much of North Dakota and into Minnesota, and that keeps these markets somewhat supported here, especially for the Minneapolis wheat. So we got the charge led. How do we maintain these? Well, first off, we got to get past the USDA crop report. Tomorrow, the market's expecting stocks numbers to increase for both corn and soybeans, to be rather flat in the wheat market, looking for increases in the Brazil crop out of South America, and for reductions in Argentina. So the net result of it might not be too much, but we're going to be watching for those potential domestic increases in carryout that can at least balance the market. We'll need to watch those tariffs and weather reports as well. But corn continues to struggle to get above 402 July. If we get above it, next price count is 428, and that's what we're going to be watching there. Minneapolis wheat kind of in that tune of around that 640 area first count, and then up around that 681 second. So we'll be watching that closely. Feeder cattle today mixed down 87.5. Live cattle mixed. Hog market up 285. Hog market having a big day there, just bottoming type action and also oversold conditions. Cutouts were down hard over the weekend here, but we'll see if we can't pick that cash market back up, and also see if some of this trade rhetoric can be supportive of hogs as well. If we can get things back in line with China, I'd look for that bottom to be in for at least the summer as we come to seasonal buying here. Cattle market a little more mixed, and we'll have to watch that market here for the next detail. Right now, we think we've got a bottom, but struggling to maintain the carry through on the rally side. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation.